Welcome to our brain adventure where we'll explore the fascinating networks that keeps us thinking, feeling, and craving. Imagine your brain as a bustling city full of colorful circuits and lively neighborhoods. First up, we have the cognitive associative circuits, the brain's way of connecting ideas and making sense of the world. Sitting front and center is the prefrontal cortex, especially the medial prefrontal cortex, the boss of decision-making and impulse control. Nearby, the orbital frontal cortex helps evaluate rewards and guide our choices, while the anterior cingulate keeps track of conflicts and emotions. The inferior frontal gyrus adds to this drama, managing our response and inhibitions. All these cortical areas work together in the corticostriatal circuits, a highway that links the cortex to the basal ganglia circuits. Think of them as the brain's motor control team guiding actions and habits. Deep inside the dorsal medial striatum is a hub of motivation, helping us pursue goals, while the basal ganglia circuits regulate our movements and behavior, sometimes even habits. And speaking of motivation, the mesolimbic pathway is the superstar when it comes to reward and pleasure, often involved in addiction, making it the brain's own pleasure factor. Now, let's delve into the limbic system, the emotional epicenter. The amygdala, the brain's emotional alarm bell, tags emotional significance, while the central and basolateral nuclei help process fear and reward. Popularly, this area, the beta nucleus and the stria terminalis, which help orchestrate our responses to stress and emotional stimuli. In the brainstem, the solitary nucleus acts as a relay station for somatosensory inputs like touch and pain from the skin, thanks to cutaneous afferents. Meanwhile, the locus coeruleus releases norepinephrine, keeping us alert and attentive. Our hypothalamic region is like the body's command center for homeostasis and motivation. It includes the supraoptic nucleus and paraventral nucleus, which produce oxytocin and nerves. Those are the love hormones and corticotropin-releasing hormone neurons that activate the glucocorticoid stress axis, helping us respond to stress. The anterior pituitary acts as the body's hormonal messenger, releasing hormones that influence other glands. The hypothalamus also manages autonomic control, balancing the sympathetic fight or flight and parasympathetic rest and digest systems, keeping us steady in a chaotic world. The insular and anterior cingulate cortex are layers of interoceptive pathways, allowing us to sense internal states like heartbeat, hunger, or discomfort. Finally, interoception is like the brain's internal sensor network, constantly monitoring our body's condition. All these systems work together from neurotransmitters like acetylcholine to neural pathways, creating a dynamic, interconnected web that keeps us alive, motivated, and emotionally balanced. Thanks for joining the whirlwind tour through the marvelous machinery of the mind, where every circuit, nucleus, and pathway plays a part in the incredible story of being human.